Welcome back to my channel, Real Food, Real Medicine. Let me tell you about what I serve up in my menu and more about my playlists. On my channel, I'll serve you up recipes, recipe makeovers, kitchen tips and tricks, health tips, product info, biz opportunities, and more. My channel playlists are as follows: General, recipe makeovers, recipes, meal prep, food prep, Pampered Chef products, health and wellness, shorts videos, wine pairings, mixology, become an independent Pampered Chef consultant. If you would like a recipe makeover or more info on any topic on my channel playlists, just drop me a line in the comments below or email me at chefdrmargie@realfoodrealmedicine.com. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit. To your health and wealth.